Are children not studying because they are not afraid of failing? This is a question going around for the past 6 years. The controversial no detention policy was introduced by the UPA government in 2010 under the Right to Education Act, under which no child can be failed in school until completion of elementary education, or in other words till class 8. The policy has been debated since then, with many experts not in favour. They are blaming it for encouraging poor learning in children. Now the Modi government is drafting a new policy that may dilute or scrap this policy. The policy draft is available online and taking suggestions from public until August the 15th. When NNIS took the opinion of some education experts on the policy, there were diverse opinions.
People sitting in the government, they are not applying their mind. They are just going by the wrong propaganda being made by the teachers, particularly of the government schools. They say you have two things they have been telling after this Right to Education had come. One is that you have taken away the right to beat. Now you have taken away their right to fail. You must understand that it is not child who fail. It is the institution that fails. It is the teacher who fails.
ऐसे बच्चे हैं जिनके साथ कुछ ऐसी आर्थिक या ऐसी कुछ अकस्मात जो समस्याएं होती हैं जिनसे वो घरेलू समस्याओं के कारण नहीं पढ़ पाते, उन बच्चों को तो प्रमोट करना चाहिए। बट लेकिन जो एक नियम बना दिया गया है कि बच्चा पढ़े ना पढ़े, उस सभी को प्रमोट कर दिया जाए, गलत। यदि सभी बच्चे प्रमोट होते रहेंगे तो शिक्षा के जो कमर वो टूट जाएगी और आगे जो हमारा देश है, जो हमारे देश के जो हमारे जो युवा पढ़ के जो आगे बढ़ेंगे, जो देश को आगे ले जाएंगे, वो वहीं पे हम लोग नीचे दबते चले जाएंगे।
The policy has been widely blamed for the decline in learning outcomes among students, the increasing mass failures in class 9, and for keeping children in government schools illiterate, since a significantly large number are found to lack basic reading and writing skills even after 8 years of formal education. Many say the cap should be lowered to class 5 because kids are not learning because of NDP.
मेरा तो ये मानना है, यदि शिक्षा की बात देखें तो किसी भी क्लास के लिए ये वाजिब नहीं है कि बच्चे को बिना पढ़े या बिना उसकी, क्योंकि यदि हम नर्सरी क्लास में बच्चे को भेजते हैं तो हम ए फॉर एप्पल, आ से अनार, जो उसका सिलेबस है, बेसिक सिलेबस है, उसी को हम पढ़ाते हैं। और उसके बाद एक नर्सरी से बाद जो क्लासें आती हैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप, सभी क्लासों का अपना एक सिलेबस है जो बच्चे को पूरा प्रिपेयर होना चाहिए, पूरा तैयार होना चाहिए, जिससे कि वो आगे क्लास के जो सिलेबस होगा, उसका बढ़ा हुआ सिलेबस होगा, उसे पिछली क्लास में पाके और अगली क्लास में वो मजबूती से आगे जा सके। लेकिन यदि प्राइमरी तक भी यदि इसको रखा जाता है तो मतलब चल जाएगा, लेकिन जूनियर क्लासेस में रखना तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब शिक्षा के साथ मजाक करना है।
Rajasthan and Delhi assemblies have passed legislation to amend the RT Act in order to dilute the NDP, though it has not been cleared by the centre. Several other state governments have also opposed the policy. They are backed by many voices of government school teachers.